Hello everyone. This is our introductory tutorial for SolidWorks. So when you first open SolidWorks 2019, this is the screen you see. I have the student edition for the SolidWorks, and on this screen you see options for making a part, an assembly, a drawing, and then there are advanced options for making templates. First, we're going to make a part. For that, we're going to click on Part. Depending on your system, it might take some time to open. I'm using SolidWorks on my laptop, that's why it's taking some time to open. And now we're in Part Environment. So here you can see we have different options like Features, Sketch, Evaluate, Dimensions. We're going to learn about each of these one by one. So first is Features, but we can't make any features unless we have some sketch. So we are going to click on Sketch, and now we have option to sketch. Before we start a sketch, we need to select a plane. We can move our cursor to select any plane we want. If I move my cursor here, it highlights front plane. I can select this one, or right plane, or top plane. For this part, we're going to select front plane. After we select a plane, we see we have several different options for making a sketch. We have a line, a circle, different kinds of arcs, and rectangle, etc. So we're going to use a simple line to make a sketch. We can click on the line, and then we can click at several different points and make different lines. So we can make any kind of sketch, but since we're going to make a solid, our sketch has to be a closed polygon. So this is our closed polygon. So once it's a closed polygon, SolidWorks automatically recognizes it as a solid, and you can see this, you can confirm this if the part is shaded inside. Okay, so our sketch is complete now. We can click this small green tick and enter escape to escape sketch. And so this is just a 2D sketch. To make a 3D part, we have to extrude it. For extrusion, we have to go to Features, and here we have option Extruded Boss/Base. We can click this option, and then it shows us the direction for extrusion, and here we can enter the height for extrusion. So suppose we want 0.02 meters, we can enter it, and it extrudes it like that. So this is our direction 1 for extrusion. For direction 2, this sketch is blind, but for other parts you can add more direction for extrusions, like you can extrude it towards both sides or in other directions. But for this part, we just simply want to show how to make a simple sketch and extrude it. So that's it. After you are done with extrusion, you can again click the small green tick. And we made our first part using SolidWorks. Congratulations!